Hello! In this video I will set up PIXMA G series Wi-Fi multifunctional printers. This video can be used with PIXMA G series models with square backlit mono display. The following models of the series you may find in different countries, as well as ink bottles may have different names, but the features are similar. I will show the following in the video. I have unboxed the printer in the previous video in the upper right corner of the screen. In the first part, I set up the printer. I power the printer for the first time. When printer is ready, select the display language and follow my steps. The next step is to unpack and install the print heads. In the next few minutes, I install the print heads and fill up the printer with inks. The black bottle is bigger and contains the pigment black ink, and you can see my water resistance test later in the video. For a detailed product review, find the video in the upper right corner of the screen. When finished, press OK to start initial adjustments, which will take about 6 minutes. But you don't need to wait, as you can already start connection to Wi-Fi network, which I cover in the second part. If this is the first time setup, you should find printer hotspot called Canon inkjet. If you don't find the hotspot, then you press and hold the connect button for 3 seconds and release. And then follow the steps in the video. I will connect the printer using Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. So download the app from the App Store, open the app and search for the printer. This part may take some more time than displayed in my video, so be patient. The app has to find the printer hotspot for successful connection. My Wi-Fi network is called Home, and my mobile is already connected, so it just sends the network password to the printer. You can select another network and you may need to enter the password if it is not available in your mobile. My printer is now registered to the Canon Print app and connected to the Wi-Fi network. Check my detailed connectivity video on G series on previous model, as the 3070 series supports basically the same connectivity functionalities. Initial adjustments are about to finish. Let's go to the last part where I finish my setup and show some other important features. I put some plain paper to the only tray of this printer, but several media sizes are supported. More about PIXMA media you can find in the Creative Media playlist on my channel. When I enter the maintenance or setup menu, the QR button is lit, and if I press it, it displays the QR code which takes the user to online manuals. For your information, before using the printer, run the print head alignment procedure from the maintenance menu. It may take few minutes, so I put this part into time-lapse mode. These models are color printers, but for final test I print a mono document using black ink only, to demonstrate the water resistance on the plain paper. The color inks are not water resistant. They are dye and provide very nice and saturated color photo output on the special photo media. Finally, to keep your printer healthy, always turn it off using power button, or preset the auto power on off, and that would be all in this video. Find more about printers on my channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, give it a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to support the channel, as it helps me to grow and create more videos. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.